here with the 5 o'clock news. And today I'm interviewing Miss Leslie Thomas, who is soon to be the winner of a...
Only 35 seconds left.
35 seconds, she will be the winner of the world's longest hiccuping contest. How does it feel?
Well, I have sacrificed everything for this. 68 years ago, I was the youngest atomic scientist working on the famed Bethlehem project.
That was the world's smallest nuclear bomb, correct?
Yes, correct. It was an honor. Everything about that job was tedious. It required a steady hand and laser focus. One false move and boom, the bomb would go off.
So I imagine once you started getting the hiccups, you had to quit.
Yes, I quit. Creating the world's tiniest atomic bomb would have changed the landscape of life on Earth. But I felt something.
25 seconds.
I knew that those hiccups were there to stay. And if I continued my job, it wouldn't have been good. So I quit my job as an atomic scientist to nurture my hiccups.
I understand it also took a toll on your marriage.
Yes, another casualty in my hiccup record pursuit.
20 seconds. 20 seconds.
10 years in, my husband and I learned that I was pregnant. He was thrilled. I was less than ecstatic. My husband and I went to the doctors, and they told me that the unborn child could put pressure on my diaphragm.
15 seconds.
I said, no, that's too risky. So I had a late-term partial birth of My husband never forgave me. He said I would go to hell for that.
10 seconds.
I said, okay, nothing would be put at risk in my pursuit of this record.
Go!
Nancy, go! What did you do there with my hiccup?
Exactly. Because I'm not Nancy, a camera woman. I'm Chelsea Higgins III, the granddaughter to Chelsea Higgins, who holds the record for the longest running hiccup. Yes. And you know what, Leslie? Yeah, I'm not going to let you ruin my grandmother's hard work. I never saw her. I never met her. But you want to know why? Because she was sealed up and locked in a chamber and kept hiccuping until she won.
Hold it! Leslie, it's been 10 seconds since you last hiccuped. If you don't hiccup soon, you're not going to win that record. Congratulations, Leslie! Here's your certificate for the world's biggest waste of a life.